Let's take a look at a common hexagon and how it's developed. Polygons are based on being either inside or outside the circumference of a circle. Inscribed polygons are inside a circle. Circumscribed are on the outside of a circle. Creating a hexagon is not too difficult. Using the basic instruments of drafting, you will need your 30-60 triangle and a circle template or compass. Create a circle, and then lay out lines that are 30 degrees on either side from the vertical line. The tangency points are where these 30-degree lines meet the circle. In other words, the points where the edge of the polygon touches the circle. Draw lines using your 30-degree triangle to lay out the angled parts of the hexagon. Finally, draw in the horizontal lines of the hexagon. A circle has three major features: the circumference, which is the distance that makes up the outside of the circle; the radius, the distance from the center of the circle to the outside arc of the circle; and the diameter, the distance that begins and ends on the circumference of the circle and goes through the center of the circle. Arcs are developed from circles. They are based on the radius of the circle and the angle that borders the arc. Bisecting lines and arcs is accomplished with a compass. To locate the bisection point or midpoint of the line, you need to swing arcs from each end of the line. Estimate these to be longer than the midpoint of the line. Once you've drawn the arcs, use a straight edge and connect the 2 points to create the bisecting line. Bisecting lines meet the original line at a right angle. Arc bisection is accomplished with the same method. Using your compass, swing an arc that crosses the existing lines. Then, at the intersection points, swing arcs again. You can use the same size arcs for this. These additional arcs produce another intersection point. Then, using a straight edge, create a line that runs from the newly formed intersection point to the origin of the angled lines.